Hello everybody. As you can see, I'm in a different location and I am going to be talking to you about something very serious today. It is so serious that it has really had me out of sorts, definitely for days and longer really, but definitely the past few days. Many of you know that after I had my illness last year and my surgery, I've had to do a lot of thinking about where my future lies in terms of what I do, because unfortunately the business I was in doesn't provide for the future. It only provides for the present. And that was fine when all was going well with me, but now it's a real problem. So I've needed to reinvent myself, and I've worked really, really hard to do that. I have spent countless hours and days and weeks and even a couple of months doing a lot of research to figure out what I could do that could help me to survive financially at a time where I'm not in a position as you can do when you're younger and you just go get a job. That's not what I needed to do. So I needed to find a whole new way to make it. And what I chose for myself for now, or at least for part of what I'm doing, is I chose to do print on demand things. Number one, because I do have a design sense, and because it was something that I could do no matter how the day went, no matter how I felt physically, no matter how well or not well I could walk on that particular day, didn't matter. So I thought it was a good choice, and I started to get really excited about it. I did. I researched everything I needed to do, and to make sure that I did everything strictly by the book, did it right, didn't infringe on anybody else's rights, didn't do anything that was questionable. I did it by the book. And as I say, I've worked so hard. I've spent so many hours designing things. My first items went up on Amazon, and I will have links below to the Amazon stuff and to the stuff that is on my own store, which is open. It's not 100% complete, so if it doesn't look as perfect as I hope that it will be, just forgive me, but it's not 100% complete yet. But it is functional. And as I say, I've just worked hard, and I created some things that excited me. I thought they were fun. They made me smile, and I hoped they would make other people smile. My store and my whole concept was called Feel Good Creations because, in effect, that was my goal. I wanted to make people feel good. I wanted to make people feel better about their day, about the moment, about something in their lives, and that's why the name. I checked it first. I made sure that I was okay using it. I made sure that everything that I designed didn't create any issues, and everything was terrific until my stuff went live on Amazon, and it was within, I don't know, maybe 48 hours that a few people had stolen my designs, 100% stolen them, put them out at lower prices on God knows what kind of material, and tried to pass them off as mine. One or two of them even had my store name in the remarks because they stole my remarks. So they stole the entire thing, and Amazon said that I could report it, and I intend to do it, but to be honest with you, it just got me so terribly upset at the beginning that I just needed to back away from it a little bit, and I just figured I would work on my store and forget about the Amazon for now, thinking that might give me some more protection. Well, I was wrong. Apparently, this business is a dirty business. And there are thieves everywhere that you look. It's illegal. What they're doing is, it's either copyright infringement if it's about something that you've written, or it is well, it's not trademark if you haven't trademarked it, but you cannot copy what somebody else does and sell it as your own. I didn't even look at other items because I didn't want to be influenced. I wanted my ideas to come out of my head. I wanted them to be my own, and I wanted them to have some meaning for me and hopefully for the people that might buy some of them or be influenced by it in one way or another. And I kind of let it go. One of my subscribers had pointed out to me that one of the people who stole it came from Vietnam. I mean, it's that far. And there was some kind of a website that it was showing up on with an XYZ instead of .com, .xyz. I'd never even heard of it. But apparently it's somewhere in Europe. And they're just stealing carte blanche. I was so upset yesterday because now apparently it's affecting my store as well. And I just wanted to sit down and have a good cry. I didn't. I started to, but I didn't. But it hurts. It really hurts because I'm working so hard just to survive. And other people think it's okay. It's like walking into a candy store and saying, I like the way that looks. I'm going to take it. I'm not going to pay for it, but I'm going to take it and I'm going to make believe it's mine. Can't do it, folks. Not only is it illegal, it's immoral. It speaks so much of the way a person is. And sadly, there are many people out there making videos on YouTube about e-commerce, suggesting to people that they shouldn't reinvent the wheel, their words, and that they should look around and find a design that they like, and they should use it as influence. They're not doing that. They're stealing it. They're just stealing it. It's disgusting, it's repulsive, and it makes me wonder if this is what I should be doing with my life at a time when I'm needing desperately to pick myself up and to move to a better place. There are no words. There are no words. In any case, what I'd like to ask some of you to do, if you want to do it, is I'm going to leave a link to the store. I'll leave a link to some of the other stuff. If you can just give me some feedback and tell me what you think of the stuff. And if you like it, don't like it, if you think I should go in a different direction, if you have any ideas that you'd like to share for things that you think you'd like to see, I'd love to see that as well. But as I say, for right now, I'm disheartened. I'm so disheartened. I wanted this to be a new beginning. I wanted it to be something I could be proud of. Something that I could feel like, wow, I really did something that might impact somebody positively. It may make a change in somebody's life. It may, little bit, for a minute. I'm not thinking of anything tremendous. I'm not thinking of earth changing. But it's frustrating. It's really, I'm fighting a battle that I should not have to be fighting. It's frustrating. So I wanted to share it with you because just in case any of you have chosen to go this route, it's tough. It's really tough. And it may make me have to rethink what I'm doing. On that note, I'm going to stop it here because I don't like to make videos that are down, but I needed to get this off my chest because I was so upset last night that I honestly felt for a short while like giving up, and I can't give up. So that's my story for this moment in time, and I will talk to you soon. On a positive note, I want to share that I went to the physical therapist today, and he had me do something new. And I told him one of the problems that I really need to deal with is being able to walk up and down stairs without having both feet on one step. So he had me try going up what he referred to as a third of a step. So I guess they have these increments that you build up to so that I could go up with my bad foot and see how that worked out. So I was able to go up the third of a step, and we're gonna add that to my routine every single time from now on. So I'm feeling good about that, and I'm hopeful that it's gonna make some difference in my life. So that's a good thing. Take care, everybody. I'll be back next time, and I'm gonna go for more positive next time. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.